What is going on, YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I will be showing you how to integrate cosine to the fifth of x dx. Now, at first you may think, oh, you can just use the power rule and just do this right here, but you cannot. So you have to do something else. So what we're going to do is we're going to take cosine to the fifth and split it up into a few pieces. So we're going to say the integral of cosine squared x times cosine squared x times cosine x dx. Okay? And then we know from trig identities that cosine squared of x equals 1 minus sine squared x. So what I can do is I can take this and sub it into each of these cosine squareds. So this becomes the integral of 1 minus sine squared x times 1 minus sine squared x times cosine x dx. And then what I can do is we're going to multiply these two out, and it'll make things easier later. So we'll say the integral of 1, and then when you multiply these two together, you get minus 2 sine squared x and plus sine to the fourth of x, and then it's that whole thing times cosine x dx. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a u substitution where my u is equal to sine x, so then my du equals cosine x dx, and so my dx equals du over cosine x. So I will sub all that in. So then we have the integral of 1 minus 2u squared plus u to the fourth times cosine x, and then times our dx term over here, so we got du over cosine x. And then as you can see, the cosines cancel, and then you are left with the integral of 1 minus 2u squared plus u to the fourth du. And that we can integrate by the power rule, so we get u minus 2u to the third over 3 plus u to the fifth over 5 plus a constant. And then we can plug in our u that we set up here. So then we get sine x minus 2 sine cubed x over 3 plus sine to the fifth x over 5 plus a constant. And that is your final answer. So if you found this video helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question about something I did or an idea for a future video. And lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.